प्यारे बच्चों, today's topic is levels of management. As we know that management cannot be a group of single person. It is a group of persons. As we know that management is not a group of single person, means a single man cannot form a management group. It requires a group of persons. There are three levels of managements: top level managements, middle level managements, supervisory level, operational or lower level managements. As you all know about these levels of management, I had taught you on my last video. Even I am revising it. That is, first we will discuss about the top level managements. The top level management consists of chairman, board of directors, managing director, chairman cum managing directors, to whom we can say CMD, general manager, president, vice president, chief executive officer, chief financial officer and chief operating officer. Means any type of directors, they all are comes under the category of top level managements. These people comes under the category of top level management. Now we have to see what are the functions of these top level managements. These persons, what do they for the organizations? Now we have to discuss it. First of all, top level management determines the objectives of business organization, the objectives of company, the objectives of enterprise. They decides these objectives for the organization, for the main objectives, as well as they also project their objectives for short term period also. Means we can say they can make two types of objectives: one long term objectives and second short term objectives. After deciding the objectives of the enterprise, these top level managements constitutes, frames, draft plans and policies for the organization so that they could achieve the desired objectives. To achieve the desired objectives, top level managements draft plans and policies. Third point is that after that they all the resources are assembled, collected, organized by the top level managements. The main resource is finance, fixed assets, etc. Next point is top level management is also responsible for welfare and survival of the organizations. They make plan to run the organization smoothly and successfully. These were the points under the functions of top level management. Second level of management, dear students, we are going to discuss. As you all know about the middle level managements, you have studied it, and I had already sent you study materials on this topic also. I expect that all of you were studying with books as well as study materials. Even I am revising it. First of all, we have to see how many members consist under the middle level managements. Middle level management consists of all departmental heads, such as purchase department head, sales department head, finance manager, marketing manager, sales manager, plant superintendent, etc. And these people of this group means the person who comes under the middle level managements, they all are responsible for executing, for implementing the plans and policies which are made by top level management. Now come on, the main functions of middle level managements. The middle level management's main function is that they explain the plan and policies which have been framed by the top managements to lower level. Second function is that they also organize the activities of their departments for executing the plan and policies successfully. Third point is that they also selects the employees according to the requirement of their departments. But before appointing the employees, they consult the lower level group of peoples because the work is performed under the lower level groups. Third point, dear, they motivate the persons. Persons means employees, so that employee could do their best ability to the organization. Next point is that, and last point under this functions of middle level managements, they cooperate with other departments for smooth running and functioning of the organizations. Thanks to all of you. Third level of management is that you all know supervisory level, lower level and operational levels. Under this level of management comes supervisors, one who supervise the organizations, superintendents, foreman, sub-departmental executives, clerk, etc. These members are included under the supervisory level, lower level or operational level management. Now we see what are the functions of supervisory level management. The main functions of supervisory level management is that they represent the problems, complaints, suggestions, advice, grievances of workers to the middle level managements, and middle level managements conveyed it to the top level managements. Second function of the supervisory level management is that they maintain good working conditions. Good working conditions means where the employees are working, their working place should be good, and they also develop healthy relations between the superior and subordinates. Third point is that they also look for the safety of the workers where the workers are working. They pay full attention. They provide safe and secure work environment for workers. It is the functions of supervisory level management's main functions. Last point is that they are also responsible for boosting, for motivating the morale of the workers so that they could do best to the organization.